Hey everyone, welcome back to the 888 VoIP channel. I'm Mike Evanisko, CTO of 888 VoIP.
And I am Mary Cheney, CMO of 888 VoIP, and today we've got something that we've all been waiting on for a long time.
We do. This is the first look at the brand new HP Poly Edge V-Series desktop phones. These are open SIP phones that HP just rolled out, and we've got 4 of them on the table today.
We have the V250, the V450, the V650, and the flagship V850.
Whether you're a reseller, trying to figure out which one to stock or pitch, or you're an end user looking for the best phone for your desk, by the end of this video, we'll show you exactly where each phone fits.
We're going to unbox all 4 of these, and we'll walk through the key features, and then we'll put them side by side so you can see how they stack up against each other.
Quick bit of context before we open anything up. The whole V-Edge family is built on open SIP, so it'll work with any phone system. So these will register to pretty much every modern platform that our partners are using.
And they all share the same DNA. HP Poly's audio technology, noise blocking AI, acoustic fence, so background noise gets cleared up on both ends of the call.
Every phone has USB-C for every model, so PC and headset connectivity is there. Fast pairing with the Poly Voyager headsets, and they're Energy Star compliant too. Also TCO certified, but with the least bit of plastic used, 35% is recycled. The sustainability story matters more and more to buyers.
Let's start unboxing. This is exciting. This is our first look at these new phones.
2-tone colors, great. Silver and black, very cool. Oh wow. Look at these bags they use. These are really nice.
Oh, nice.
Normally the phones come in just kind of little plastic bags. These come in these little cloth bags. This is probably due to the sustainability thing that Telecom does.
That's nice. Oh, look, it's got the HP logo.
Yeah, new brand at HP.
Oh, what's also really cool, look at, they've got the logo on them.
Oh, yeah.
That's so cool.
If you notice the speaker too, it's got all these little cutouts. I think it's the Y from Poly.
Yeah, that is really cool. Very creative. Little touches.
Ethernet cable that comes with the inside cord.
We got stands. Got our Ethernet cord here.
And the Ys are in here too. That's cool.
And then we have our handset cord. Okay, so that's what is in the box for these 2 units. Do you have anything else?
No, that's it. Instruction book.
Ooh. All right. So we are going to get these put together and assembled, and then we'll be right back. All right, so now that we have unboxed the phones, we have the V250, the V450, the V650, and the V850. We are going to first start with the features of the 250 and the 450.
And then we're going to dive into the 650 and the 850.
Okay, so now we have the V250 and the V450. Let's talk about the key features of the 250 first. The V250 is your front desk common area phone for your standard office worker who needs a reliable, great sounding phone without a ton of extra keys. For resellers, this is your high volume option. You can deploy it anywhere model. It is a great price to value for rolling out across the entire office. The V250 can have up to a maximum of 16 lines. It has a colored display, and it has the acoustic noise fence feature built into it. Okay, now that we've run through the features of the V250, let's talk about the features of the V450. With the V450, you get 8 dedicated line keys and a 3.5-inch color display, and it can scale up to 32 lines. 2 big differences here from the 250 to the 450 is that 450 has integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built right into the phone. And second is it's the first model in the family that supports an expansion module. The V450 has up to 8 line keys and has a maximum up to 32. The V450 also can support a USB-C headset. Now, over to you, Mike.
Thanks a lot, Mary. Now we're going to turn our focus to the 650 and the 850. the V650. A headline feature you'll immediately notice is the dual displays. This phone has 2 screens, 14 line keys, can scale all the way up to 44 lines with the pagination on the secondary screen. That second display screen means a receptionist or admin can see way more lines and contacts at a glance while flipping through multiple pages. Everything's right there in front of them. It's also got integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it supports an expansion module on top of those 44 line keys to go even bigger. For partners, this is your phone for the busy receptionist, the office manager, the help desk, anyone who's a traffic hub for calls. When someone's juggling a lot of those lines, the 650 is an easy upsell from the 450. All right, now we're moving on to the V850. This is your flagship executive phone. We saved the best for last on this one. Take a look at this large 5-inch color display with 18 line keys that scales all the way up to 60 lines. This is the top of the family. It has integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and that's a major differentiator. It supports up to 2 expansion modules. So between the phone and 2 modules, you've got a massive amount of programmable keys. Plus, advanced manageability features for IT teams allows these phones to be easily deployed at scale. This is your executive, your high volume operator, your power receptionist running whole floors of a business. When your customer says, I need to see and manage everything from one device, this is your answer. So that's the full HP Poly Edge V series, the 250, the 450, the 650, and the 850.
If you want to add any of these to your lineup, get pricing, or get samples in your hand like we did, reach out to your 888VoIP sales rep or head to 888VoIP.com. They can walk you through everything we've covered today and help you spec the right phones for your customers.
And while you got them on the phone, ask them about 2 things that really set us apart. First, our custom provisioning options. We can have these phones ready to go and show up at your customer's site pre-registered and labeled, so there's no fumbling with configurations out of the box.
And second, this is a fun one, our engraving services. We can engrave your customer's logo right onto the phones. So instead of a generic desk phone, your customer gets the device with their own branding on it. It's a great differentiator and it's perfect upsell.
One quick note before we wrap up. These are brand new phones, so the models, features, and specs we covered today might be subject to change. For the most current information, please always check with your 888VoIP sales rep or 888VoIP.com.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on our next unboxing videos.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you on the next one.